watching this video, and thanks for making 150 subscribers as well. I would like to warmly thankful to each and every subscriber for making 150 subscribers. I hope you will do it 500 subscribers as well. And I would like to introduce a new channel. His name is Kiran, and he is from Srikakulam. He has a YouTube channel is GMT Gaming Monster Telugu. If you like, I have given the link in the description. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and support the channel as well, friends. While we are in class 4 of C language, right? Before moving on to the class 4 of C language, I have to tell one thing. Please don't skip the video and watch the video till end. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and please drop a like and press the bell icon as well to get the first notification. And without delay, let's get started into our topic. Before going to the class 4 of C language, we have given brief introduction about in class 3 also. I can recall it slowly. First class we have discussed about basic structure of C language. Before going to basic structure of C language, I have tell one thing, that is I have no board to write. I have this video I have recorded in a book. Sorry for that inconvenience. I have soon as possible I can buy the equipment as well. Please support the channel, friends. Without delay, let's get started on the topic. We are in class 4 of C language. Before going to the class 4 of C language, I can recall all concepts once again briefly. For the basic structure of C language, in basic structure of C language, we have to follow 7 steps. First step is documentation section or comment section, we call it. And in comments, actually it's a optional. We write or not, it's not mandatory to write. What is the purpose of this comment section means? If you join in a new company, you can't understand the code, what they do. Actually, every good programmer will write the comment to understand the readability of program. That is the purpose of comment section. You want more brief, you can watch, I think class 2 I have told briefly about that. You can watch the video. If possible, I can give the links in iCard section also. Okay, second is link section, or we call it pre-processor section. What is the purpose of this section is, it is mandatory to write any program, we have to use link section. Link section is nothing but we have listened already from class 2 onward, hash into less than stdio.hgreater. What is, you may raise the doubt here, what is meant by stdio.hgreater, right? Basically C language belongs to header file group, and stdio means standard input and output. Here we have to enable the access of printf and scanf. We must and should use this stdio, standard input and output header file group we use. That is the main purpose of preprocessor. Here one of the main advantage of preprocessor is hashtag. Hashtag we call it preprocessor. I have told in previous class also. Hashtag, main advantage of hashtag is it removes the non-executable code and it turns into executable code. In the sense, it removes the comment section and turns the non-executable code into executable code. That is the main purpose of preprocessor. And one of the main advantage of this is it gives the direction to the compiler. That is the main brief introduction about preprocessor or link section. But move on to third, it is global declaration, right? Global declaration is nothing but you can't understand now because we are in basics, right? You can understand in further class more details about global declaration. But you have to remember the own definition of global declaration. Global declaration is nothing but it works in entire the program. That's the main purpose of global declaration. Well, we move on to the main function. Actually, the main function will be start from here onwards only. Well, move on to another is its local declaration. You have just remembered the definition. You have to know briefly in further classes. Local declaration is nothing but it works within the block. That's it. If you move on if else and if else if conditions, then you can understand clearly about it. We move on to then we call it subprogram. It is also an optional. While we have to write big program, then we can use subprogram as well. I hope you understand my lecture as well. I conclude the video with a small demo program as well in notebook. Okay, friends, let's watch it. Start the demo program, friends. Before going to the demo program, we have to recall the 7 steps first. First step is comment section or documentation section. In comment section, I have to forget that previous we have to follow the camel scale method in comment section. It is not mandatory but better to use. For example, for the camel case is, if you see the camel, it has a hump on neck which has a up and down like this. For example, if you take the name Krishnamurti, for example K, you can write the capital letter, remaining all small letter, and instead of space you can use underscore, and we can write M is a new letter, right? So we can write the uppercase in the sense capital letter, then we can write all small letter like this. We have to follow camel scale in comment section. It is not mandatory but better to use it, and it is optional, right? But every good programmer will write the comment section to understand the readability of a program, right? Okay, first comment section. For single line comment we have double forward slash first program, and we have end the double forward slash for first single line comment. For multiple line comment we can use slash and hashtag, and we can write here first program as well, first program, and author, and something what we have done, and we have end the our comment section with forward slash and hashtag. It's for multiple comment section, multiple comment section. For here we use it single line comment section. For single line comment section we use double forward slash. For multiple line comment section we use this. Okay, while the demo program main function remaining local declaration or global declaration, it's all not mandatory but better to, we have used that in big programs. In further classes we have used the importance of global declaration and local declaration. Now we have a small demo program, right? For the demo program we have a comment section, and then we write demo program main function, right? Int main, and we have open double brackets, and we have the curly brackets open. Here we use printf. Instead of printf we can use double quotation and write here Venki, and end with terminator, that is called semicolon, and end, and we have written 0 also. Actually got the doubt here, he write all without explanation, right? Actually I have told in previous class too, I think, what is the importance of printf. We use printf for purpose of, I use comment section because it is non-executable code, right? Printf we can use for to print any name or any name or anything. We use printf. That is the main purpose of printf, and we have written 0. In case if you run the program in Turbo C++, then you can write instead of int main void main. If you write in int main base void main, you can not indicate the return 0. If you use int main, you can definitely indicate the return 0 at the end of the program. If you use void main, you cannot declare the return 0. It can execute the code. Because I have recommended, you may raise the doubt here, what the app we can use to execute this C program, right? In my opinion, I can suggest you only the Dev C++, because so many people you suggest you Turbo C++ also, but Turbo C++ is old model. It's supportable to Windows 8, I think, but not sure. But in laptop purpose, if you want to install the app for C coding, means you can install Dev C++. I can write here Dev C++. It is a better app because I have used this app nearly 1 year, more than 1 year. So I can recommend this app. For everybody don't have laptop, right? In case if you want to practice C program in mobile, you can use the best app is decoder. where I can install the, just go to the Play Store and search on Play Store decoder and then install the app. If possible, I can provide the link in description as well. Just install. In phone mobile point of view, you can practice C language in decoder. In laptop point of view, you can use Dev C++, right? Okay. How to install Dev C++? You may raise the doubt here. Just go to YouTube and search how to install Dev C++, and there you can find. But you may raise the doubt here once. Data types, I think I say that in third video class 3, but I cannot indicate that data size because it varies data size between, totally depends on system. Because if you use 64-bit, its size for int is 2 or 4 bytes. For float, 4 bytes, right? 4 bytes. And char, 1 byte. And remaining one is the double is 8 byte. I am telling these bytes for 64-bit, Windows 10 64-bit. If you use in 32-bit, I don't know exactly configuration of this because I have used only 64-bit. Most of the people nowadays using only 64-bit, right? 32-bit is old model, I think not preferable laptop also. If you want to practice coding, 64-bit is exactly suitable for coding, right? In case of 64-bit, you using the size of int, float, char is like this, 2 or 4 bytes. Int, float 4 bytes, char 1 byte, double 1 byte. You may raise the doubt here, 1 byte means what, right? 1 byte equals to 8 bits. 1 bit equals to 0 or 1. I have this complete concept in class 3 as well. If you don't see that, if you are new to this video, you can watch the class 3, class 2 as well. Then you can understand clearly about this concept. Okay friends, let's conclude this video. If you really understand my coding language, just you have to print your name in comment section and ping me in Insta also as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please share the channel and subscribe the channel and support the channel as well. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.